With its main debut set up for January 16th, the midlife restyling of the Hyundai Creta is gradually ending up being known. Information have currently been exposed in recent weeks via images and, currently, a forecast released by the Autocar internet site accurately represents what the front of the restored SUV will certainly resemble. As seen, the front setting up will be entirely revamped and assures a much better visual outcome than the current controversial style. The bumper will feature brand new moldings and an exclusive lower section, while the front lights set will certainly have a more traditional form and advanced LED lights. The ideas will certainly originate from the larger sibling Palisade, which has actually currently been confirmed by Hyundai Creta for Brazil. The rear was not shown in a projection, however it has currently been disclosed in photos that it will also include important adjustments. In this sense, every little thing indicate lights with a brand new layout and currently interconnected, that is, without the divisions of the present Creta. In addition, there will be brand new H-formed LEDs, vibrant arrows and a far more straight general look. In addition, the trunk lid will be upgraded. As currently mentioned, and reported in the photos, the renovation concerned will certainly not be connected to the restyling already related to the Creta sold in markets such as Indonesia, Vietnam, South Africa and Mexico. In reality, Hyundai is preparing unmatched adjustments for the SUV that need to get to markets where the Creta is still sold with the initial look provided in 2019, that is, India, Brazil and China. Of these, the first to receive the restyled SUV will certainly be India. The design will certainly be introduced in the country in January and will certainly go on sale in February. The debut of the facelift in Brazil is expected next, but the specific date depends on Hyundai's regional strategies.